What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So here is the Cyclops camera, ray tracing and real fan. The flagship Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in full details, including new stunning design, smartphone characteristics, features, camera, chipset, battery, price, release date and much more. Please watch the full video content. Samsung is still preparing for a big summer snack of new products, including foldable smartphones, Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3. Meanwhile, the network has already begun to accumulate information about the Korean flagship of 2022, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Dutch resource Let's Go Digital, known for numerous reliable leaks on mobile topics, has published details about the most expensive model in a series of future flagships, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, along with details on features and prices. Let's Go Digital has published a selection of renders created in junction with the Techniso concept. It is noted that the images are not official and were created for demonstration purpose. The smartphone will not receive significant changes to the screen and bezel. We expect a 6.81 inches screen with the same QHD Plus resolution. Rumors regarding the front camera hidden under the screen remain unconfirmed. Most likely, the technology will be implemented only in the Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2023. According to the source, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the only device in the 2022 S-Series lineup to feature an LTPO display with an adaptive refresh rate, just like the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Another thing that sets the Galaxy S22 Ultra apart from its two younger siblings in the screen, that is rounded at the edges. In addition, only the Ultra model will be able to boast a glass back, while the rest of the series will receive a plastic case. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will be compatible with the S Pen, which will be offered as an optional accessory. One of the likely features of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is an active cooling system with a real fan. Samsung has already registered a special trademark for it, referring to both smartphones and tablets. The biggest visual change is expected on rear panel, with the main camera block. The main camera of the new flagship Samsung was created in collaboration with the Japanese Olympus. A continuous optical zoom function is expected, which will allow selection of intermediate values without loss of quality. Another expected feature is a sensor shift image stabilization. The design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra resembles the flagship Xiaomi and Redmi, with a huge main module. The exact parameters of the sensors and optics are still unknown. The hardware base should be a single-chip Exynos 2200 system with an AMD RDNA2 graphics processor, which for the first time will allow ray tracing and shading with variable speed in a smartphone. The US and China versions will receive the Qualcomm Snapdragon 895. Up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of flash are expected. The software will be based on the Android 12 operating system with a proprietary One UI 4.0 shell. The battery will remain about the same as the Galaxy S21 Ultra, 5000 mAh capacity. In terms of prices, it is expected that the smartphone will be priced from €1,250 to €1,300 for the cheapest variation. The official debut will take place no earlier than January 2022. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.